Previously on Mr. Tranquilo's channel, we sailed from Turkey to Croatia on my friend's sailboat. On the way back, we stayed in Montenegro for 3 nights. Then we had a long night journey to the Greek island of Corfu. After stopping at Paxos and Antipaxos Islands in the Ionian Sea, we passed from Lefkas Channel. We spent 1 day in Vati on Meganisi Island. In this video, you will watch our journey from Vati to Fiskardo in Kefalonia Island, Greece. We will be heading to Lefkada, and we want to go to Kefalonia Island. After Lefkada, we want to visit Fiscardo. It's a small, very small, but very pretty fishing village. Fiskardo is a small fishing village in the north of Kefalonia Island and 15 nautical miles from Lefkada. Kefalonia and Ithaca Islands are very close to each other. A natural channel has formed between these two islands. Boaters and sailors love these places as there are many bays in the region as well as the beauty of the sea. Hi guys, you are watching Mr. Tranquilo's channel. My friends call me as Mr. T. Today I will have a street tour soon and enjoy watching it. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Fiskardo village is located on the north of Kefalonia Island and it's around 50 kilometers away from Agostolion, the capital of Kefalonia. Cars are not allowed inside the village, so people can walk freely. Fiscardo, you can also see a lot of souvenir shops. Usually tourists are shopping. Full-time residents of Fiscardo generally live on the streets behind the coastline. The streets of the small village are quite crowded in high season. Most restaurants, tavernas, cafes and bars are located along the coastal area. The colorful chairs and tables of the cafes make you want to sit and enjoy Greek food and beverage.
Restaurants and tavernas waiting you with the dishes from local Greek food while you are looking at the beautiful view at the sea. It is also possible to find markets serving boats and tourists along the coastline. There are also some cocktail bars on the coastline. You can sit there and enjoy your drink. The municipal port is not very large, but especially in the summer months, it is full of rental boats, traditional Kefalonia fishing boats, luxury yachts, and of course sailing boats. Because Fiscardo is a sailor paradise, there is also a marina which is very busy during the season. This beautiful small fishing village was added to Project Natura 2000 for its protection. The Fiscardo port is located near Ithaca in Kefalonia. Of course, during the summer, during the high season, there are many ferry routes from these two locations because it's a touristic destination. Even Fiscardo is a small village. It has permanent inhabitants. Everything is at the close distance. If you do not moor at the municipal port or a marina, you can also anchor away. If you anchor away, you can watch the beauties of this fishing village from the sea. The earthquakes of 1953 caused extensive destruction to the Ionian Islands, but Fiscardo remained with picturesque, traditional Ionian architecture and its colorful houses until today. Thanks for watching, guys. I always appreciate for your support. See you in the next video.